Creality, this 3D printer. We've got Enda-3 version 3 KE. Okay, that's all. Connections here, this cable as well. Instruction. They give you all the components, how many tools, and how to follow step by step to install them. Okay, let's do it. That's the front. That's the back. You should have two keyholes for the structure. That's the front. What we need to do is get these points connected to the stands. There's a keyhole there to run through the clip connected with here. So through the keyhole, with this one running down. Pushing down and insert to the keyhole. Now we need to tilting up. Always on the sideway. You can clip it. Okay, now it's connected. Now we got this bolt M314, the silver. We need to feed it into here. Make sure it's line up and pushing. Don't pull it tight until we fit the next body. Again, don't pull it tight. Last one. Now 3 of them fully set in, the nut fully tight. Okay, 分散这样，所以我觉得可以做。Connection here, so we need to plug it into there. Okay. Now, take some parts out from here. This is display screen. Okay. Should be here, and 3 screws. That's the instruction. The screws we're using is M410, so we're going to look for M410 screw 1, 2, and 3. The flat side down the bottom. Push it. That's it. Now I'm going to feed this material rack filament holder. So I'm going to fit onto here, on top of here. In the box. This should be fixed. Yeah. That's the front. That's the back. The bolt for this is M58. It's M58, and also you got M38 as well. M58 should be the big one. M3 should be the small one. This one is connected to, yeah. No damage. this one should be connected to here. This one will cross over and plug in. Open it up. So clip in and after close. So close these two. Then we go out. Alright. After fitting this, see this one not controlled. We have this part. Connect to the power. This side. And we turn on. This one off. This one's off. So you go ahead and detach it. Just make sure you're going to have correct power source. Now we can start it. Language English. Next. Read through the condition, privacy policies, and click on and read it. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Stuff. No, you have to connect to the network. So I see it. Okay, we're going to select the model, this model, other times, the time zones, and Creality cloud. We don't have to because we don't have network. To welcome. All the machines working there. I'm going to prepare the filaments. The filament I'm using is PLA. This one is a HS, but you can use PLA. Cutting the filaments, you need to cut 45 degrees. So 45 degrees and cut off. You will see as this. And then we put on top. This way because we'll fit it through here. So here, I'm going to just press here and push it to the end. That's it. Now it shows self-check complete. Go. USB in there. For this type, we're going to use the USB. So plug in. Shows there, download it, 100%. There is a preset program in there. So that's local, history, and USB drive. I'm going to there, there's a bolt. You can print. If it says number 1 is bolt and 1 hour, 16 minutes. And the filament, we use 3.7 meter. So 3.7 meter. Now, I click on these. 16 minutes. Same information. The preset is 220 degrees on the nozzle. The base is 60 degrees. So here, 60 degrees. I can feel it's warm from the setup. And calibration. If you want to calibrate it before you print, yes, you can. However, we just been calibrated, so we don't have to calibrate again. So I cancel it. So now, print. Start warm up. Remember what we say. The base is 60 degrees. At the moment it's 53. And the nozzle is, we need to reach 220 degrees. Now it's waiting for warm up. Bend it to corners, very solid, little bit rough finish, but it is good. Put this one back. Now back here. This one, line it up, and that's it.